Hello viewers, today I will teach you about verb and its kinds. And in this video, you will learn about the concept of verb as well as its all kinds. Now the definition of verb, a word that shows an action, state or an event is called a verb. For example, in action verb is what you can see in the picture. A boy is driving a car. This is an action verb. A boy is eating food. It's also an action verb. Now for the event verb. For example, we celebrate each day. So this is about the event and this is called the event verb. Third category is about the state verb. State verb is about the feel, become or appear. You can see in the picture state of being. For example, appearing from the cap, you can see the changing of caterpillar from to the butterfly, and the feel of any human being. It's also state of being. So this is about the verb. Simply it's an action. It can be action, it can be state or an event. Now we move to the kinds of verb. These all are the kinds of verb which you will study in depth in the next slide. So number one is regular verb, second is irregular verb, third is linking verb, fourth is transitive verb, fifth is intransitive verb, sixth is finite verb, seventh is infinitive verb. Now what is regular verb? A regular verb that is that in which you can change the form of verb by using the rules of adding d or ed. You can see here a verb that's past second form and the past participle means third form is made by adding d or ed is called regular verb. Simply you just add d or ed to make the second and third form, which you can see here. For example, walk. It's changed into walked by changing ed only to convert it into the second form, and the third form is same like this by adding ed in the end of the word. Second example of talk is like talk, first form, and just you change into the second form by adding ed here, it change into talked, and third form is also same. Now the second type of verb is irregular verb. A verb that's past form, it means second form, and the past participle means third form is not made by adding d or ed. It's called irregular verb. By meaning of this word, you can easily understand the irregular verb is just by it's made by not using the rules of d or ed. So the some of the irregular verbs examples are here. You can see here drink change to drank. It's a second form, or you can say past form, or third form which is past participle form is drunk. So here you can see there is no rule for changing first to second or third form of this word, which is a verb. Now the second word is shirt. Shirt, its second form is also shirt and third form is also shirt. So there are many verbs which are irregular verbs, and you can check also the list of them, but these are just you can understand about them that which convert it into first to second or third form by not using the rule of T or ED. Now the third form. Linking verb. A linking verb, you can easily understand the word which links. It means a word which is verb which links or connects the subject with a word that gives information about the subject, such as condition or relationship. So in this verb, linking verb is about the connecting subject with a word to give the information about the subject, such as condition or relationship. For example, you can see here appear is, am, are, smell, look, become, feel. In the first picture, you can see here the feeling of sad in the picture of a girl, which is a linking verb. So is also here, he is a good boy. So these linking verbs link the subject with the other word to give the clear picture about the condition or relationship. Now they do not show any action. So in this picture you can see here the third one, there is no any action, just they are giving you the picture of feel, become or appear. In this also the verbs are also here appear, is, am, are, smell, look, become or feel. For example, the eggs smell rotten. Here the word smell is linking verb which links the eggs with the rotten and what they are linking about the smell. So this is very easy.